So it's 7 something, 7/8, 2017. Checking out the first floor apartment. I did a nice cleanup job. There's some things that has to be addressed. Like this is hanging out. It's for cable wire. Refrigerator is nice and clean. Impressive. It's nice and clean. I believe this is the same refrigerator I have, but my dials ain't right there. Mine's is older. This needs to be fixed. Bathroom has that stupid switch in the back. You get that split down the line right here, the crack from the building. Clean bathtub. I need to do my tile like that. You did a good job cleaning that up. I have to admit. You can see the floor is crooked here. It's the way it is. The whole floor is crooked. It's the way it is. It's just the way the building is. Closet. There's a big closet that I have. Somebody added shelving up there. That's what I did too. What's cool about it? I did that too. I did that by my own thought. Didn't even notice it down here. Turn that off. Rugs look good. Too bad they just couldn't touch it up in here. Now this needs to be fixed. This door is hanging, but I've had problems with these doors. The wood inside is just absolute crap. I don't even have a door like this upstairs. It was in the basement in the flood. It got ruined. So I don't even have it. It was in the basement, never put up. It didn't fit right. Cabinet doors are fixed. I fixed this one. Closes nice. I fixed that one myself. I don't even have that secondary plug right there in my kitchen, which is cool. They added that. I don't have that. I would love to have that one. And I have a plug behind my oven that I never knew about. Not bad. Let me see what I did with the screwdriver. Because then I can maybe tighten up that door, see what happens. See if I can tighten this up. Not lefty. Just give it a little bit of tighten. See, nothing happens. This needs to be redone. Tighten out up where you want, but it just doesn't do anything.